Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Visakhapatnam location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let us discuss one by one in detail. There are openings available for AP and Telangana number one multi-core real estate organization. So they have vacancies available for the managers for Vizag, Rajahmundry and Hyderabad locations. So they require the candidates with any graduation and also 3 years of experienced candidates, and the age should be above 30 years. So for more detailed information about this job notification, you can contact them with the given phone numbers. There are openings available for booking executives for ad agency. It is for only male candidates. So for booking in Visakhapatnam city, so they are going to offer a salary will be 18,000 rupees per month, and along with the commission, petrol and cell bill. So and for these positions, qualification will be degree, and age should be between 25 to 45 years. So walk-in interviews are holding on 19th July 2021 and 20 July 2021 from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. at the provided address details. So please check with this, and also you can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this job notification. There are openings available from Sri Kasyap Degree College located in Visakhapatnam. So they have vacancies for the faculty and for the electronics management BBA, and also for physical director, librarian and also for telecallers positions. So walk-in interview will be holding on 19th and 20th July 2021, and the timings will be from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you can check here with the address details, and for more detailed information you can also contact them with the given phone numbers about this job notification. Next one, there are openings available from Margadarshi Chit Fund Private Limited. So they requires assistance for business development for their Anakapalli branch. So they require male graduates with a pleasing personality below 30 years with 2 to 3 years of experience in the relevant fields. So the candidates having the valid two-wheeler driving license are preferred. So fresh graduates can attend for these assistance positions. So walk-in interviews will be holding on 20 July 2021 Tuesday at their branch. So timings will be from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So for more detailed information you can check here with the contact numbers provided, and you need to attend to the interview to the provided address details, and you need to carry carry along with your resume, like xerox copies of certificates or testimonials and PAN card, Aadhaar card and recent color passport size photograph at the following address. Next one, there are openings available for receptionist, telecaller, office assistant and computer operator positions. So you need to work at Madhuravada Vizag location. So they are giving priority to Madhuravada residents. So for more detailed information, you can contact them with the given phone number. There are openings available for marketing general manager, marketing assistant general manager, marketing managers, marketing PROs and marketing executives, and also insurance TPS. So it is for a multi-specialty hospital located in Vizag. Like you should be having 5 to 10 years of experience in the relevant field to apply for the above positions. So timings will be 11:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. So you need to attend to the interview between these timings. So for more detailed information, you can contact them with the given contact numbers. One, there are openings available for safety officer and welfare officer for a reputed pharma industry in Visakhapatnam and Hyderabad locations. So for this qualification and experience as per the factories acts and rules. So interested candidates can send their resume to the provided mail ID, that is safetyofficer135@gmail.com. Next one, there are openings available from SR Educational Academy. So it is for Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka regions. They have vacancies for the faculty, JEE main or advanced and NEET faculty for mathematics, physics, chemistry, botany and zoology, and also they requires language faculty for the English and Sanskrit, and they have vacancies also for the principals. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone numbers, and you can send your resumes to the provided mail ID, that is sreducorporate@gmail.com. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.